and Critter Pops, which I didn't bring with me, but I used the Critter Pops, which is the Stampin' Die of the Month, as well as 2 Coco and Reno little die kits. So I'm going to start with this one right here. And so I made a little tag album, and actually used the spine piece, or like I forget what you call it, the little attacher piece, this little piece right here, to help me attach the tags in my little album. So I use this little piece right here, a little spine piece. And you just die cut this. It's got a perforated spot there for a score, so you just fold that, and then you've got a piece that can attach. So, and then I use the ephemera, the watermelon ephemera. So I just tied a piece of seam binding at the top, which, I mean, you could tie each thing individually, but it's kind of annoying, so I didn't do that. But here is the album. It's very small. I used a little tag in here. And so there's the ephemera. And so the pieces on top, this one is glued all the way down. Most of them are not glued all the way to the top, so you have space to kind of tuck something. There's this one actually has a little, I use that as a little pocket, and it just fits right in. It's blank on the back. Write a little something like that. And then I use these little watermelon pieces and created a little pocket. And then it just fits right in here. There's that. And so this came in the kit as well. And so you could slip a note or a picture or something in there. And this is like kind of opens, you tuck something in there. And then that's the end of the album. Super simple. And then the semicircle album is the perfect thing to make a watermelon something out of. So that's what I did. Let me try to tie this back up. That's what I did. So I did a little watermelon thing. So I used this semicircle album. It comes with a like larger piece that has, it's just like a larger piece, and then it's got this spine piece, and you just attach everything. It's pretty easy. So here's my little critter pop in the front, and I made the front kind of look like a watermelon, so I used paper for like sort of the rind, and then the middle of the fruit. This is like a little pocket, little watermelon inside. Here is my little gnome. He was a bee gnome, but I cut off his little bee thingy and put a watermelon on a stick instead. So he's holding a watermelon. And then here's another one of these little picture frames, and just a little spot there. And just a little decoration. I use this as a pocket. This comes out, go right in the back, and then it just slides right in there. So those are my little cute little watermelon projects. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.